Hi guys!
Wala pa rin akong PMR to.
Okay, wag na. So kaming tatlo lang yung nasa class today. Nakasend sa tangan, wala akong PMR. Guys, I wanna go home. Me.
Natawag lang
Ayaw. Wait lang. Hi guys, nagre-review kami for life quiz.
Rizal, ikaw na lang sa ano.
Ha?
Ako na sa
Sino-sino ang Gumburza? Sino-sino Gumburza?
Gomez,
Oh, Gomez.
Burgos,
Burgos,
Zamora.
Ano mga pang first name?
Ewan ko. Guys, this is my notes.
Pag ano ng Gumburza, ano natin? Gumburza.
Gumburza
Sa
kasi
Axel.
man. Iba yun. Taas kamay walang aral. Taas kamay walang aral.
Aral ako kanina.
Pamosong bahay bago ito simulang gibain. Pilipinan, itong bahagi ng kanilang kasaysayan na to.
Hi, vlog! Tapos na kaming mag-live freeze.
Hi, vlog.
FPJ Productions is Quezon City. So,
So, nandun lang rin naman.
yes. Nandun din siya eh.
Okay pa.
Ito mga palmong yung series na
Guys, tapos na kami mag... Anong klase natin? Fringer. Tapos na kami fringer. Wala na kami klase.
O, si Jay ngayon.
Saan pa kami pwede bumaba?
Eh, dapat nasa taas, hindi pa.
Ayaw nga pala. Diba?
Hey guys.
Nagawa tayo. Ba't ka nag-vlog?
Ewan ko. Naano lang ako kahapon. Pinapanood ko yung
Napaka-banner mo, te.
Hindi.
Why are you so judgy? Guys, tapos na kami magpapala. I'm so tired. Pagod na si Pia. Pagod na si Pia.
Kami, hilang.
Guys, it's your girl Riri, and for today, we just have to be with the Jollibee. So it's these girl right here. Miss Ella and Miss Kissy with this.
Free.
Mukha ng gutom mo.
Oh, good. Naka-record siya.
Ay.
Oh,
Ay, kung saan pala the arte mo?
this is my OG parents.
So, 24! Guys, so here's what we've done so far. So we have done our circles for this one. We have our poster. We'll be having our interlinked chains later on, like after we, because I'm getting a little bit dizzy right now, girl. So like, where are we gonna eat, girl? Ate.
Kizzy.
Okay naman siya. You would like if
Tell me what do you still
Basan nga to galing?
Ano pa lang yung kanta.
Kizzy, where'd you buy this?
Isa pa.
Hindi ko alam, te.
Jinx
Kan ba?
Jinx yan. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe. Just in bed. Just to keep you interested.
Si Amber. Si Amber sa likod.
Married up, down, I was getting hot. At the body shop. Doing something on hold.
Oh! Oh! Y'all see that?
Beanie.
Everybody seems so famous.
As I'm turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous.
Anong araw ngayon?
It's Monday.
Monday na?
It's Monday.
First class comfy.
We're already tired and stressed for all the things that is going to happen.
GA na bukas. Guys, guys, first vlog na nagtatagalog ako. Huwag niyo akong i-bash, peace lang. Thursday mag-hi ka, wala ka pa sa vlog.
Yan.
Ambi.
Ano sabihin mo sa kanya? 1, 2, 3. Go, kanya-kanya na.
Hi guys.
Aray!
Uy, naiipit yung...
General Assembly Day. Kaya alam mo buong vlog na to, mukha mo lang yung nakikita.
Because we're always
My girl.
attending.
Hi guys. We're so tired na and it's not even Gen Assembly. I'm so hungry. I want Angel's Pizza. I curled my hair this morning pero it's gone now. Kainis. So, hindi natuloy yung outfit ko kasi baka ma-DO ako. At na-DO na ako ni Amber.
Hi, guys.
Ang pula mo.
Hindi yan. Mabulis ko yan.
Si Thursday hindi na pumasok.
Pero salamin nga nag-bag mo. Salamin nga.
Okay na.
Wala ka lipi?
Has prepared a lot of opportunity. The first part of our activities.
Guys, 10 out of 10 performance.
That was really the right.
Pagod na ako.